Let's count how many castings we can see at Giga Texas. I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla Weekend. Drone pilot Joe Tetmeyer a couple days ago captured images just before dawn looking inside the casting cathedral at Giga Texas in Austin. What he saw was hundreds, perhaps thousands, of completed castings piled up, neatly stacked, waiting to be added to the production line. But how many is it? That's what are we gonna count? So before it gets started, why don't you make your guess? Because I'm very curious to hear what you think it's gonna be. The numbers will be at the end, but make your guess first. We've seen pictures before of thousands of these stockpiled in other parts of the factory, but the question is, how many can we actually see here? So there it is. There's the math. Divide that by 2, and that's how many cores you can make. So how'd you do? Pretty good? Quick reminder that tomorrow's live stream will be on the second channel, My Tesla Live, with the condensed version here over the weekend. Please subscribe and like and do all that good stuff. Maybe follow me on Twitter at 4K Podcast. And a massive thank you to my Patreons who get early access, bonus content, an ad-free experience, and actually afford me the time to make stuff like this, which is more work than it looks like for how short it is. So thank you guys for your decision to help out. So what did I miss or misunderstand? Leave me all your thoughts, your wisdom, your blind and brilliance in them comments below. And as always, my friends, stay tuned to stay juicy, and I simply cannot wait to hear from you guys on the flippity flop.